Welcome, little dreamer. Tonight, let's visit the peaceful world of the farm, where the air smells of fresh hay and warm earth, and the night is filled with soft, comforting sounds. The stars twinkle above, and all the farm animals are ready to rest. Join us as we say goodnight to our farmyard friends, one by one, and drift off to sleep under the starry sky. Goodnight, Rosie the Cow. With your soft, gentle moo and peaceful eyes, you spent the day grazing in the green fields, enjoying the sunshine. Now, you rest in the cozy barn, your body warm from the day's work. Good night, Rosie. Good night, Cluck the Chicken. With your bright red comb and cheerful clucks, you wandered around the yard, scratching in the dirt for tasty treats. Now, you snuggle into your cozy nest in the chicken coop. Good night, Cluck. Good night, Henry the Horse. With your shiny coat and powerful hooves, you trotted through the fields, galloping freely under the wide open sky. Now, you rest in the stable, your head resting on a soft bale of hay. Good night, Henry. Good night, Lily the Lamb. With your soft wool and gentle bleats, you bounced around the meadow, playing with your friends. Now, you curl up in the warm barn, your woolly body tucked in for a peaceful night. Good night, Lily. Good night, Penny the Pig. With your happy snorts and playful waddles, you rolled in the mud, having fun with your friends all day. Now, you settle into your cozy pen, letting the soft straw cradle you as you drift off to sleep. Good night, Penny. Good night, Tommy the Turkey. With your bright feathers and proud strut, you paraded around the farmyard, showing off your colorful plumage. Now, you nestle into the hay with your feathers fluffed, ready to rest. Good night, Tommy. Good night, Daisy the Duck. With your soft quacks and playful splashes, you swam in the pond, enjoying the cool water on a warm day. Now, you settle onto a comfy patch of grass by the water's edge, your little wings tucked close. Good night, Daisy. Good night, Benny the Barn Cat. With your swift paws and bright eyes, you prowled around the farm, keeping watch over the animals and chasing after the evening mice. Now, you curl up in a cozy corner of the barn, your tail wrapped around you. Good night, Benny. Good night, Ben the bunny. With your twitching nose and soft, velvety ears, you hopped around the garden, nibbling on sweet vegetables and playing in the soft grass. Now, you curl up in a comfy little burrow, your long ears resting peacefully. Good night, Ben. Good night, Charlie the water buffalo. With your big brown eyes and steady moo, you spent the day wandering through the fields with your friends. Now, you rest peacefully in the barn, surrounded by hay and warmth. Good night, Charlie. As the stars twinkle above the farm, the animals slowly drift into sleep, one by one. And now, dear little dreamer, it's time for you to join them. Close your eyes and let the peaceful sounds of the farm lull you into a world of sweet dreams. Good night, little dreamer. May your dreams be as soft and warm as the hay in the barn, and as peaceful as the animals sleeping on the farm. Good night, farm. Good night, little one.